Secure your knotted thread with a few stitches. Bring your needle through the first hole of the snap. Sew a few stitches here, making sure you are catching the fabric underneath. In this case, we want the snap to be sewn on the inside of the hem. Make sure you are going through only one layer of fabric, otherwise your stitches will be visible from the right side of the garment. After the first hole has been sewn, catch the fabric, but this time move your needle to the placement of the second hole. Come up through the second hole and repeat the same steps. Continue these steps until all 4 holes are securely sewn. When finished, sew a few stitches underneath the snap. This will secure your sewing and also hide the stitches.